we are here inside the beautiful historic Union Station in Portland, Oregon. Look at this beautiful lobby. And look at this. We got an elevator to ride. Not just any kind of elevator. We got a completely original antique Otis black button to ride. Look at this. Wow.
Yeah, last time you came into town, this was broken, but
It's gotta be from like the 30s or 40s.
30s or 48.
Yeah.
It doesn't even slam, which is very nice too.
Yeah. Up to 3.
Listen.
Here we are in 3. Let's see what's out here. Looks like just offices.
Yeah.
I'm sure there's a look outside.
And that one doesn't even light up up here.
Oh, and it has the really rare Otis logo. Look at that. Yeah, this definitely gotta be from like the 40s. Down to 1.
Yeah, I really like that Otis logo.
Here's a look at the cab. It's a pretty small cab.
Yeah, that's even much engraved too.
Really cool though. I love the furry walls on this thing.
The carpeted walls.
Around 1. Back up to 3. Huh.
Yeah, so that way we could just like hear the motor very easily. Watch this. Yeah, just like the Dover trick. Yeah, we don't want to take too many rides because, you know.
We'll take one more after this one.
Yeah.
Watch it level.
I know what we should do. We should do a Twilight ride. That was good.
Yeah. Alright, one more time. Listen.
Single speed too.
Yep. I'm gonna stand over here. See both the window and the fixtures. The button caps were definitely replaced in like the 60s, because they're the newer black buttons.
We got the large edition.
And they're actually made out of Lexan too. Alright, and we will get off on 1. Love the relays.
Yeah, I really love this elevator in town too.
Wow. And here we are. Let me see, is there an interlock? Yes, there is. There's a leak. Alright, well, we're gonna get off here.
Base from
Manual sliding outer door.
under low a little bit, but other than that, it's amazing.
Oh, look at that. That is cool. In use light. And well, there it goes. And that will be it.